Hello, kids! This is Teacher James Lee. Today, we will learn ways how to take care of one's community. Number 1. Tree planting. Tree planting is a good activity because trees give off oxygen that we need to breathe, and trees reduce the amount of storm water runoff, which reduces erosion and may reduce the effects of flooding. Number 2. Proper waste disposal. Proper waste disposal is vital for preserving our natural surroundings. It helps prevent pollution and helps promote an eco-friendly culture among students, staff, and the wider community. Number 3. Backyard gardening. Backyard gardening can help reduce negative environmental impacts by promoting sustainable agriculture, reducing food transportation costs, and reducing water runoff. Number 4. Coastal cleanup. Coastal cleanup protects marine animals, removes toxic chemicals from the water, and preserves our natural environments. That's all for today, kids. Do you want to learn more? See you on my next video. Bye-bye!